Welcome to today's session. Today we will talk about February 2020 important events in multiple choice questions format. Here comes the first question. What was the theme of World Radio Day? Option A, Bachate Raho. Option B, Radio and Diversity. Option C, Me and Radio. Option D, Radio and Life. Take 5 seconds. The correct answer is Radio and Diversity. Next question. Who was awarded Oscar in the Best Actress category? Option A, Renee Zellweger. Option B, Scarlett Johansson. Option C, Charlize Theron. Option D, Cate Blanchett. The correct answer is Renee Zellweger. Next question. What is India's rank in International Intellectual Property Index 2020? Option A, first. Option B, third. Option C, 43rd. Option D, 40th. Take 5 seconds for this. The correct answer is 40th. The next question. Which Indian city was included in UNESCO list of World Heritage Sites on 5th February 2020? Option A, Ahmedabad. Option B, Ujjain. Option C, Jaipur. Option D, Lucknow. Think for a while. Here is a hint. The city is also called as the Pink City. Yes, you guessed that right. The correct answer is Jaipur. The next question. Where was the 11th meeting of Deaf Expo organized? Option A, Ahmedabad. Option B, Ujjain. Option C, Jaipur. Option D, Lucknow. Think for a while. The correct answer is Lucknow. Who was awarded Oscar in the Best Director category? A, Quentin Tarantino. B, Sam Mendes. C, Bong Joon-ho. D, Martin Scorsese. The correct answer is Bong Joon-ho. Next question. What was India's rank in Flourishing Index, Child Wellbeing, released by United Nations? Option A, first. Option B, 11th. Option C, 77th. Option D, 131st. Think for it. The correct answer is 131st. Which film won BAFTA award in the Best Film category? BAFTA is British Academy for Film and Television Awards. Option A, Joker. Option B, 1917. Option C, Parasite. Option D, The Irishman. The correct answer is 1917. It was based on the First World War. The next question. Who has been appointed as the new Financial Secretary of India? A, Anand Kumar. B, Ajay Bhushan Pandey. C, Rajiv Bansal. D, none. Here I want to share something. The Financial Secretary is the one who signs on 1 rupee note. That has to be kept in mind. It's Ajay Bhushan Pandey. Next question. Which state gives Yash Bharti Award for Arts? Option A, Delhi. Option B, Uttarakhand. Option C, Uttar Pradesh. Option D, Punjab. Think over it for a while. The correct answer is Uttar Pradesh. At which place in India a 14,100 ton of lithium reserve has been found? A, Sonbhadra. B, Betia. C, Mandya. D, Pithampur. The correct answer here is Mandya. Who won BAFTA award in the Best Director category? Option A, Quentin Tarantino. Option B, Sam Mendes. Option C, Bong Joon-ho. Option D, Martin Scorsese. Keep in mind, this is not Oscar, this is BAFTA. The correct answer here is Sam Mendes. Who became the first woman to spend the maximum time in space, that is 328 days? Option A, Christina Koch. Option B, Dr. Brand. Option C, Peggy Whitson. Option D, Jessica Meir. The correct answer is Christina Koch. Earlier, the record was held by Peggy Whitson. Now it's Christina Koch. When was Soil Health Card Scheme launched? Under this scheme, the agricultural soil is regularly analyzed for nutrients and other deficiencies. Option A, 19th February 2020. Option B, 19th February 2019. Option C, 11th February 2016. Option D, 19th February 2015. Think over it. The correct answer is option D, 19th February 2015. Who would be heading the Ram Mandir Nirman Samiti? Option A, Ajay Gupta. Option B, Sambit Patra. Option C, Nripendra Mishra. Option D, Akshay Kumar. This is very important. And the correct answer is option C, Nripendra Mishra. What was India's rank in Asia Wrestling Championship which was held in New Delhi? Option A, first. Option B, second. Option C, third. Option D, fourth. This championship was held in New Delhi in February 2020. The correct answer is third. Who is the new chairman of Air India? Option A, Anand Kumar. Option B, Ajay Bhushan Pandey. Option C, Rajiv Bansal. Option D, none. The correct answer is Rajiv Bansal. What is the function of Nirvik Yojana launched by Indian government? Option A, increasing exports. Option B, increasing imports. Option C, helping farmers. Option D, helping army. The correct answer is increasing exports. Next question. What was India's rank in Sustainability Index? In the brackets, per capita carbon emission released by United Nations. Option A, first. Option B, 11th. Option C, 77th. Option D, 131st. You have 5 seconds to answer. The correct answer is 77th. Which state launched Nadu Nehru scheme? Option A, Andhra Pradesh. Option B, Telangana. Option C, Kerala. Option D, Uttar Pradesh. The correct answer is Andhra Pradesh. Where would the Ocean Museum be established in India? Option A, Ranchi. Option B, Lothal. Option C, Mangalore. Option D, Burdwan. The correct answer is option B, Lothal. Lothal is in Gujarat. Where did the Geological Survey of India found 52806 ton gold reserve? Option A, Betia. Option B, Betul. Option C, Mangalore. Option D, Sonbhadra. Think over it. The correct answer is option D, Sonbhadra. Where would the Tribal Museum be established in India? Option A, Ranchi. Option B, Bokaro. Option C, Bastar. Option D, Burdwan. Think over it. The correct answer is A, Ranchi. What was the theme of National Science Day 2020? Option A, Science is Cool. Option B, Women in Science. Option C, People for Science and Science for People. Option D, Science for Physically Challenged. The correct answer is option B, Women in Science. Where was Namaste Trump program organized? Option A, Sardar Patel Stadium, Ahmedabad. Option B, Eden Gardens, Kolkata. Option C, Statue of Liberty. Option D, none. Well, there is a hint. It is the world's largest cricket stadium. Yes, you guessed that right. The correct answer is option A, Sardar Patel Stadium, Ahmedabad. Which footballer became the first one to complete 1000 matches? Option A, Neymar. Option B, Messi. Option C, Ronaldo. Option D, Bhutia. Take 5 seconds for this. The correct answer is option C, Ronaldo. Which state launched India's first intra-city electric bus service? This is important. Option A, Punjab. Option B, Maharashtra. Option C, Uttar Pradesh. Option D, Andhra Pradesh. The correct answer is option B, Maharashtra. What was the motto of Tokyo Olympic? Option A, United We Stand. Option B, United by Emotions. Option C, Divided We Fall. Option D, Let's Play It. Think over it. The correct answer is option B, United by Emotions. Which tax has been completely abolished by Indian government? Option A, LTCG. Option B, DDT. Option C, STCG. Option D, excise. The correct answer is option B, DDT. What was India's rank in the size of economy in 2020? Option A, second. Option B, third. Option C, fifth. Option D, seventh. You have 5 seconds for answering this. The correct answer is option C, fifth. Which film was awarded Oscar in the Best Picture category? Option A, Joker. Option B, 1917. Option C, Parasite. Option D, The Irishman. The correct answer is option C, Parasite. Where would the International Bullion Exchange be established according to Union Budget 2020-21? Option A, Mumbai. Option B, Gift City. Option C, New Delhi. Option D, Ahmedabad. The correct answer is option B, Gift City. Interesting name, isn't it? Who was awarded Oscar in the Best Actor category? Option A, Leonardo DiCaprio. Option B, Joaquin Phoenix. Option C, Robert De Niro. Option D, Al Pacino. Think over it. The correct answer is Joaquin Phoenix. Won this prestigious award for the beautiful portrayal of the character Joker from DC Comics in the movie of same name. We must learn one thing from Joker. Come whatever may, whatever happens, everybody's against you and the going gets tough and tough and tough. You must put on a happy face.